Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Spring, and in today's video I am bringing you some DIY Valentine's decor inspiration. I am showing you where I sourced the items that I use for today's video. We are also DIYing these beautiful flower arrangements as well as some really nice napkin folds. So if you enjoy watching videos like that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to get right into today's video.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So basically, there's my balloon, and then as I mentioned, I'm going to use glue dots to stick them to the top of my ceiling.
I just wanna love you.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to attach these balloons to the ceiling that do not have helium in them. So I use my machine to blow up balloons, just tied them, and then with my fringe backdrop, I cut a piece about, I don't know, let's say an inch or two wide. It has some little sticky backing. I tried it once. I always like to try out what I'm going to show you that I did. That way I can see if it actually works. Well, you take the backing off, pull the little tie here, and wrap this around. It won't stay stuck. So you need to use some Scotch tape just to make sure that, like during your party, it doesn't come loose and then you've got string all over the floor. So take a little piece of Scotch tape. If you want, after this, you can even tie like another little bit of the pretty string around it, because you can see a little bit of the tape. So that's what it'll look like. Then I'm going to get my glue dots, and I am using the larger glue dots, and then I'm cutting the tape so that way I can have 2 glue dots on there. Now I'm going to find the center point of the balloon, usually where it's darker, and I'm going to put that over. And then if you just rip this off, the glue dots will come off with the tape it came on. So you're going to kind of have to peel it back carefully while making sure that the glue dot stays stuck on the balloon. All right, so my glue dots are on the balloon. Now I'm going to attach it to the ceiling.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
I will be showing you how to make the envelope napkin hold, which is definitely suitable for this romantic Valentine's table setup. So you're going to make sure that you start off with a square napkin, and you're going to put your napkin kind of with the pointed side up. I'm going to bring this down a little bit, and then you're going to meet the bottom corner with the top corner. And then I have already ironed my napkins, but the middle point is about right here. So I'm going to get my left side, bring it over, make sure that the point of the napkin meets in the center. And then I'm going to do the same for the right side. I'm going to bring this over just a tad. So you'll have a very large looking envelope right now. And then what you're going to do is take this left corner. You're going to take the left corner and you're going to bring it to the center part of the point where your napkins met. And you're going to do the same thing for the right side. And your napkin should look like this. Then you're going to get these bottom corners and you're going to bring them up. Right about there. And then you're going to bring the top over and you have the cutest Valentine envelope. You can also personalize this by putting in a cute little note to each of your friends or to your significant other. But for today's video, I'll be using it just like that. I want all my table linens to be white.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh.
I want to walk you through the items that I use for today's video. So I'll start off with the items here on the table. So these chargers, I bought them at Hobby Lobby, and these really cute napkins, I bought them on Amazon. These are the glasses that I thrifted. They are crystal. They have this really pretty flower engraving on them. I do love to mix old and new. I just feel that it gives your table a more elevated and curated look. The LED candle tapers, I bought those at Hobby Lobby along with the ribbon. And then the glass candle holders, you can find these at Hobby Lobby as well. And these are the second pair of glasses that I thrifted. They are crystal, they are beautiful. They have the gold outline on the rim of the glass, which pairs very well with the charger. And the flowers, these poppies, I bought them at Hobby Lobby. They have them in the spring shop. The roses I bought from Michael's, and then the gladiolas, I bought them from Hobby Lobby as well. The base of these, I did end up switching it out. I just used a regular white bowl from Dollar Tree. And I do like this. However, I will let you know, for an event, I would not buy those roses from Michael's. On camera, they look fine, but in person, you can tell they are not of the best quality. So I just went with what I had. But the plus side for these is they have like a little cage on them, so it was really nice to be able to flux the roses. And then when I was making my arrangements, I just kept in mind to keep some at different heights. I feel that it looks very nice, very organic. And that is it for the items I bought for the table. Now for the large balloons that say love, I did buy those at Target. I did hang those up last night. I didn't get it on camera, but I did need help, so my son helped me with that. The really cute bow garland, I did find that on Michael's. It was in the clearance section for the Christmas decor. It was 70% off, so I only paid $8 for it. The balloons, I think I had them left over from a party. I bought them at Hobby Lobby. And then the little fringe, that is actually from a fringe backdrop curtain. I just cut it in pieces and then I just attached it to the balloons. I really love the way that looks. I saw another Instagrammer do that. So I thought, you know what, I will definitely use that tip as well. So I love the way this whole look came out. And if you have any questions about anything, be sure to leave them down in the comments for me.